Hearty welcome to SSSLSG Gurukulam free online classes in mathematics in a very interesting chapter called Mensuration. And let us just recall what we have studied. Areas of plane figures. Example, quadrilateral. What is the area of quadrilateral? Area of quadrilateral is half of diagonal into h1 plus h2. Area of trapezium, A is equal to half of height into sum of the parallel sides. H is called height, A and B are called parallel sides. And area of rhombus, come on, anybody? Half of D1, D2. I think all of you made a list of all these areas, correct? And now also we have studied about solid shapes. Cubes, where you are seeing cubes? Ice cubes, correct. Then sugar cube. Then tea boxes, correct. Like that you see lot of cubes. Cuboids, water tank, closed water tank. When you say, not suitcases, boxes and so on, make a list of all those things, correct. Then cylinder, what do you see cylinder? The oil tank, cylindrical shape. Water pipes, cylindrical shape and all that. Cone, your famous ice creams in conical shape, correct. And there will be some buildings also in conical shape. And pyramid, world famous pyramids of Egypt. They are all what is called as solid shapes, and they are very high, useful. They are very highly useful, correct. So these are called solid shapes because it is in 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height, all will be there. Okay, that's also you have mentioned about that. Already we have seen about surface area of cuboid. Anybody know the formula? Come on. Yes, 2 into LB, then BH, then LH. What is LBH? LBH are the length, breadth and height, correct. And volume of a cuboid is given by the formula L into B into H. So much of cubic units, maybe centimeters or meters, etc. This is a thing we have studied in the previous class. Now shall we go to home assignment? Yes, first question. Find the volume of the following cuboids. See, you can see the figures of 2 cuboids here. The first figure says, so they are cuboids. Why they are called cuboids? Length, breadth and height are different. If all the 3 become same, what do you call it? Cube, correct? So here volume of a cuboid in figure number 1 is equal to L into B into H. Here L is given to be how much? 8 centimeters. We call it as length 8. Breadth is 3 centimeters. And height is 2 centimeters. So volume becomes V is equal to L B H. But to multiply When you don't write multiplication sign, you can write LBH, L into bit H. So L is 8, B is 3, H is 2. 48 centimeter cube. That is the answer in the first figure. In the second figure, volume of a cuboid. Here formula is slightly changed because they are given area of the base. Instead of writing LB, you can write area of the base into height. So area of the base how much? 24 into height is 3, 72 centimeter cube. 24 into 3. Why 24? How we got it? L into B, product of length and breadth. So this is the first answer of the question. Now coming to second question. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So there is one cube whose volume V, volume of a cube V is equal to 900 centimeter cube, and area of the base, this is volume means LBH. Area of the base we call it as, say, B or A, you can call, that is L into B is equal to 180. Therefore, height of a cuboid. By the way, what is a cuboid? Cuboid is a solid figure having rectangles as its faces. How many rectangles will be there? There will be 6 rectangles, all one pair of each type is rectangles. 3 pairs of rectangles will be there. 3 pairs will be identical to each other. So height of a cuboid is equal to, now you have to find out H, V by A. A means area of the base. Area of the base. So here also you can write A. And V means volume. Volume by area. What is volume given? 900. What is area given? 180. So height is given to be 5 centimeters. That's all. Very simple. Divide the volume by the area. You get the height. Because LB is given, LBH is given. LBH by LB becomes 5 centimeters. Okay. Now coming to today's topic. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is a cube. Now we are telling about cube. Example, sugar cube. Die. So this is sugar cube. You have seen that sugar cubes? Yeah. This is die. Die will have how many phases? 6 phases, correct? In every phases there will be a mark. See, for example, in this there are 5 dots are there. Here there is 6 dots. There are 3 dots. Another side you have 1 dot, 2 dot and 4 dot. Okay, that is a cube. And tea powder, red label, what you call it, that is a cubical in shape. Some sweets are there. For example, in halkova, there is a sweet called halkova, a white color sweet. And also there will be ice cubes. If you see refrigerator, there will be ice cubes, correct? And all of them will be in the shape of a cube. So what is the shape of a cube? Shape means it has got 6 faces. Each edge of a cube is called side. So this is called side of a cube. It has got 6 faces. So it has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So faces means top 1, bottom 1, 2, and surrounding you have 4, 2 plus 4, 6. Vertices means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are called vertices. Edges means, so these are called edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 edges. Followed? And each face is a which figure? Square. So there will be 6 squares in a cube, and all the faces are identical. So whereas in cuboid only opposite faces are identical, here all the faces are identical and all of them are squares. Very beautiful to look at, correct? So you can also think of so many cubes in your daily life. And total surface area of a cube is given by the formula 6L square square unit. And volume also. How do you find a volume? LBH in case of a cuboid. Here it is L cube. L into L into L. So much of cubic units. Suppose you break open a cube. What do you get? This is a cube. Say for example, it is a box, cubical box. If you open it, the bottom is here and these are the 2 sides, and this will come to top. This is called network of a cube. So if you open a cube, it will be all are squares here, and if you just join it, it becomes a solid. Okay, so this is a beautiful photo of a cube. Now coming to some problems on this. Find the surface area of a cube A and lateral surface area of a cube B. There are 2 cubes here. So in one you have to find out lateral surface area. In the first you have to find a surface area. Surface area of a cube. The formula, come on, 6L square. So what is L? 6 into L is given to be 10, 10 square. So that is 600 square centimeters. This is the first figure. Second figure, you are asked to find out lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. What do you mean lateral surface area? Surrounding, except base and top. All that is called lateral surface area, and each is a square. There are 4 squares like that. So area becomes 4L square. 4 into 8 into 8. 8 square. 64 into 4, 256. So much of centimeter square. So in the first figure 600 square centimeters, second one lateral surface area is equal to 256. Okay, that is the answer for the first question. Coming to second question, find a side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. So here you are given with the surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. So 6L square is equal to 600. Note down, writing down. Okay, 6L square is equal to 600. L square becomes 600 by 6, that is 100, and therefore L becomes root of 100, that is 10 centimeters. So side of a cube, each side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, that's all what they ask. So note it down. Volume of a cube, V is equal to L cube. Now there is an interrelated question. Find the volume of a cube whose total surface area is 486 centimeters square. So here they are given surface area is given. Total surface area, we call it as TSA of a cube. Total surface area of a cube is given, and that formula is 6L square is equal to 486. So how do you find out side? So you can find out each side, correct? Each side of a cube. Each side of a cube is 6L square is 486. So now what happens? 6L square is equal to 486. So L square becomes 486 by 6. 81. L square is 81. So L becomes root of 81, that is 9 centimeters. Following? So total surface area, by that we can find out each side. That becomes 9 centimeters. Note down this working. Now it is not over. Still one more step is there. What is that? Therefore, volume of a cube. What is the formula? L cube. How much you find out L? 9. So cube of that is 9 into 9. That is 729. So much of cubic centimeter. So how many of you know cubes from 1 to 10? It will learn by heart. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube 1000. So up to that you have to practice that. Now shall we move on to next question? Oh, now just reverse of it. Total surface area is given. No, total surface you have to find out. You are given with volume. So using volume you have to find the TSA, total surface area. So volume of a cube, we call it as L cube, is equal to 343 centimeter cube. So volume is 343. Therefore, each side of a cube, that is L. How to find out? L cube is 343. So how much L becomes? L will be cube root of 343. How to know it? Just divide by the prime factors. It won't go with 2, it won't go with 3, 5, 7. 7 fours are correct. So 7 cube, it becomes, L becomes 7. Cube root of 343, that is 7. So each side becomes 7 centimeters. And therefore, total surface area A is equal to 6L square. Noted this? Noted? Okay. After this, we will come to that. So that is cube root. What you have done is cube root of 343, that is 7. Now 6L square. 6 into 7 square. 6 into 49. 6 9s are 54. 6 4s are 24 plus 5. So much of square centimeters. See, volume is cube centimeter and area is square centimeters. Okay. So these are the two problems in this. Now we will see something about capacity of the container. So 1 cubic centimeter is, now about units. 1 cubic centimeter means what? 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. It becomes 1 centimeter cube. Same thing if you want to express in millimeters. See, all these are required in case of pipes and strings and all. So 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter to 10 millimeters, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Please note down, 1000 millimeter cube. Similarly, 1 cubic meter means 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. That is 1 meter cube. So 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 into 100 into 100. Correct? So how many it becomes? It becomes 1 followed by 6 zeros, 10 lakhs. Correct? 3 plus 3, 6 zeros. So much of centimeter cube. Okay. So volume and capacity, there are two words you must note. Do you know this? They are asking. Some of you say, I don't know this. Some of you may say, yes, I know this. So here what you have to know, volume means what? Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. It may be volume of air, volume of solid, all that. Volume of cube, volume of cuboid and so on. What is capacity? It is a quantity that a container holds. All of you know will go to a milk shop, milk dairy. You say, I want half liter of milk. What is that half liter? Means 500 ml. 1 liter of milk. My milk has come in the can. It's 5 liters, you say. What is it? 1 liter means what? 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube. or 1000 ml. So capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds, measured in liters. So 1 ml means 1 centimeter cube. The volume of a cube of 1 centimeter length, breadth, height. That is 1 ml. So 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube, or also called as 1000 ml, milliliters. Of course, we are referring to water here. And 1 meter cube means what? 1000 liters. How you got it? This is 1 meter means the 100 centimeter into 100 into 100. That is 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. That is 10 to the power of 6 ml, what you call. 1 liter means how many ml? 1 liter means 1000 ml. So 10 to the power of 6 means what? 1000 liters. So 1 meter cube means 1000 liters. Especially milk dairies, you might have seen big tankers. They write in that tank, capacity so much liters. Okay. For example, oil also. When you say 1 cylinder oil, means so many liters they write. Milk, oil, water. You might have seen water bottles. They write that 1000 ml or 1 liter, 2 liter, like that, water bottles. So this is our daily life, we are using these words. That's why it is given. So here you can write it as 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. Okay. So just for your information, now we will see home assignment. Noted down? Okay. The volume of a cube is 729 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. Just now you worked out same type. A cuboid is of dimension 60 into 54 into 830. That is LBH. How many small cubes with side of 6 centimeters can be placed in the given cuboid? Something like, for example, tea box. There will be big tea box. Inside that, small tea boxes will be kept. Correct? They are asking how many boxes can be kept in the big cubical box. Sorry, cuboid here. Okay. Now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Bhagwan Baba says, start the day with love. Fill the day with love. Spend the day with love. End the day with love. What is love? Love is selflessness. Love is for giving and forgiving. Correct? So Baba says, whole world is filled with love. Without love, there is no being at all. So he says that selfless love you must develop. Just as a mother has it for a child. Correct? So try to answer the home assignments. Thank you.